tutorial. I am going to share a design for blouse neck bag. Neck measurement is 2.5 inches. Length of blouse is 9 inches. See the dots. Mark the chalk on 2.5 inches and join both the dots together. As you can see, we have joined both the dots together. Shoulder 3 inches. Armhole 6 inches. Chest 10 inches. As you can see, I have marked the dot on 10 inches for the chest measurement. So 10 inches for chest and mark 1 inches for extra measurement. I am showing you the arc shape of armhole. Mark a dot for 1 inches and make arc shape for the round armhole. So that was the back side. Now we'll make the design. Make a dot for 1.5 inches and draw the design. I have made the neck design. I'll cut it out and show it to you. Carefully cut the design as per the draw pattern. Cut out the extra portion from this side. Here we have cut the design. Do try it out and let me know in comment section box. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel.